Act. She acted quickly to resolve the issue. They have been acting responsibly. Advise. He advised her to study for the exam. She advised me not to take that route. Allow. They allow pets in their apartment. The teacher allows extra time for the test. Appear. The sun appeared over the horizon. The magician made a rabbit appear out of a hat. Argue. They often argue about politics. He argued that his point of view was valid. Ask. She asked me for directions to the library. I often ask my teacher for help. Be. She is a teacher. They were at the park yesterday. Become. She wants to become a doctor. It became clear that he was right. Begin. The concert will begin at 8 p.m. She began to study for her exams. Believe. Many people believe in miracles. He believes he can succeed. Build. They plan to build a new house. He's skilled at building model airplanes. Call. I'll call you later. She called her friend. Choose. She chose the blue dress for the party. We can choose from a variety of restaurants. Come. Are you coming to the party tonight? They came to visit us last summer. Consider. We need to consider all options. Have you considered studying abroad? Continue. The rain is expected to continue throughout the day. He continued working on the project. Decide. She decided to study medicine in college. I need to decide which restaurant to go to for dinner. Do. What do you do for a living? He did his homework last night. Expect. We expect good weather for the weekend. She expects to hear back from the job interview soon. Explain. Can you explain the rules of the game to me? He explained the scientific concept in a simple way. Fail. I'm worried that I might fail the test. He didn't want to fail his family. Feel. I feel happy today. He felt tired after the long hike. Find. I found my keys under the couch. Did you find the solution to the problem? Get. I need to get some groceries. He got a new job. Go. They are going to the beach this weekend. I went to the store yesterday. Happen. The party will happen on Saturday. Did anything interesting happen today? Have. I have a cat. She has 2 brothers. Include. The meal includes a salad and a main course. Does the price include taxes? Involve. The project will involve teamwork. His job involves a lot of travel. Keep. I keep my keys in my bag. She keeps her promises. No. I know the answer to that question. Do you know her name? Laugh. The comedy show made everyone laugh. She always laughs at his jokes. Learn. I want to learn a new language. He learned a valuable lesson from his mistakes. Leave. They are going to leave early. I left my phone at home. Let. Let me know if you need any help. They let their kids play in the park. Listen. Please listen to the teacher carefully. He didn't listen to the warning and got lost. Like. I like pizza. They like going to the beach. Look. She looked out of the window. The cake looks delicious. Make. She makes delicious cakes. He made a beautiful painting. Mean. What does this word mean? His actions don't always match what he means to say. Need. I need some help with my homework. She needed a break. Plan. They plan to go on a vacation next month. I need to plan my schedule for the week. Prefer. She prefers tea to coffee. Do you prefer summer or winter? Promise. He promised to call me later. She promised not to be late for the meeting. Provide. The company provides training for new employees. The restaurant provides a menu with various options. Put. Please put the dishes in the sink. He put the book on the shelf. Realize. She realized her mistake too late. I didn't realize how important this was until now. Remember. I remember my first day of school. She can't remember where she left her keys. Say. She said she would come to the party. What did you say to him? See. I can see the mountains from here. Did you see that movie last night? Take. Please take a seat. I took a photo of the sunset. Tell. She told me a funny story. Can you tell me the time? Think. I think it's going to rain today. What do you think about this book? Try. I'm going to try this new restaurant. He tried his best to win the game. Understand. I don't understand this math problem. He understands multiple languages. Use. I can use your pen, right? They use this software for work. Want. I want a cup of coffee. She wants to travel the world. Work. I work at a hospital. She worked late last night.